In this video, what I wanted to do is to show you a free online tool. It's called Canva, and it's great for doing all the images and things like that you need for Facebook posts, Instagram posts, Facebook stories, Instagram stories, ebook covers, just loads of things. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. All you need to do is type Canva, as you can see there, into Google, and you come up with all this lot, loads of stuff on Canva. And if you click on the top one there, Canva official site, sign up now, it's free. You'll get a free account, and all you do is give them your email, put a password in there, and you have an account. And when you have that, you will go to a home page, a bit like this, and as you see there, it says top left, home. So what will you design across the top here? Well, they've got presentations, social media, video, print, marketing stuff. Again, loads and loads of different things, and they do templates. And if you have something, by the way, that is a specific size from, if you will, height, width, then this where my cursor is at the moment, custom size, you can press that, type the size in, and it will create whatever you want in that size. However, all these things, presentations, these are some of my stuff. I'll show you some more in a minute and explain what they mean. So when you've created a few designs, you can come onto this bit here where it says all your designs, and the top there, top right hand side, you just click that to create a design, and then you decide what type you're going to create. This is sized, so Canva sized these things for you perfectly. This one is for an Instagram post. This one is for it's for a Facebook story post, and again these are for Instagram. This particular one down here is that one was for a YouTube my YouTube site banner. So these here, this is Facebook and Instagram ads, and these are blog post images. So this is a video or a video thumbnail that I created. I just uploaded that today for a YouTube video that I did, a training video the other night. So there's lots of stuff, very, very easy to do, and I'll show you exactly how to do this. By the way, you see up here it says templates. The top left, templates, and you've got Instagram stories, posts, Facebook posts, so on and so forth, and all this stuff, invitations, cards, t-shirts, marketing, infographics, blah blah blah, loads of it. But for now, let's just concentrate on, I'll click on this, and you'll kind of see what I mean. It's so simple. I know everybody says, oh, it's really, really simple to do, and then when you try and do it, it's anything but simple. But Canva is, once, of course, it decides that it's going to load, which thankfully it now has done. So image. So what I'll do is, this is a blank image, and all you would do for that is you've got delete, duplicate page, and then add page. So for example, if I want to add a page, I would click that, and I've just added a page. So in this, I've got a blank. Now I can use uploads, I can use photographs from Canva, some paid, some not, some backgrounds paid, some not, most not. The free ones are quite good. So if we just go over on the left hand side here, you'll see what I mean now. I click on this first thing that says elements, And what you find is you get these recently used backgrounds, for example. And as if I just scroll through them, there's various things that I've used, lines and shapes as well. And all you end up doing is just clicking on these things. Let's just click on that. And then it will go on to here, and you can size it and decide what color you want. The color is there. If you wanted to change the color, then you can change it. Click off that, and that's what you've got. So I don't want that now, so I'll just press delete on the computer, and that goes. Graphics, you've got the photos we'll go into in a minute, videos, audio, happy whistling ukulele. Don't know what that's all about. I haven't got a clue. Happy whistling ukulele. Uploads. These are images that you can photograph you've taken that you put onto your desktop and upload into Canva. There's be loads and loads of them, and I'll give you an example of how easy and simple it is to just create this. Let's say this size is a thumbnail for a YouTube video, and I just want to create something, I don't know, anything. Let's just look, see what we've. First off, I click on my logo there. Well, let's just say I'm going to put the logo. No, I always have it on the right. Logo is going to go there, and again, I can make it as big or small as I want. So, okay, that's that. I'm going to look at backgrounds as we go down this. On the left hand side, text and backgrounds. We'll go down to backgrounds next. I'll click on that, and then I've got all sorts of backgrounds that I can choose from. I'm just going to choose from anything, to be honest with you, because it doesn't make any difference whatever it is. So I'll just click on that. So now I've got that background. I could have this one, or I could have, when I click on them, I could have that one. All I do is just click on them, and it transfers it over to the particular thing that you're making at the time. Now, again, follow the cursor over to the left, and I'm clicking on text. So, text, and we get here, add a heading, subheading, bit of body text. You can have these things which are already done in various text fonts and things like that. But for me, and for now, let's just click on add a heading. And we have the heading come up, and you just type, literally, as it is, just type no one's ever going to accuse me of being massively creative. By the way, when you want to know if it's in the center or things like that, you can see the vertical line there. There's also that one that goes horizontal. It tells you that you're dead center. So for now, we'll just leave that there. I use this as signature. So there's various fonts, for example. I'll show you, as a matter of fact. So subheading. So it's just a smaller font. At the top here where it says Open Sans, if you click on that, then there's lots of fonts that you can go through. This one here, Amsterdam 4. If I click that, my little box there has just suddenly decided it's going to go to Amsterdam 4 text. So if I then just type in Len Foster, and I just resize that up at the top where it says Amsterdam 4, size 30 there, height pix, so I'll just make it 42, let's say for now, and stick that over there where it can be seen. And I can then put whatever other text on there. If I wanted to put another image on there, I could. It wouldn't make any difference, I can add some more text to it. And the basics is, if you've got like a YouTube, for example, thumbnail that you want to create, then you can put the title of your thumbnail on there, an image that you can gather from off Google, plonk it onto there and hit download, and you download it. I'll show you all about downloading in a minute. So let's just go to, this is one I did earlier as a sort of a test. I got a background there, I got my logo, image of me, signature, bit similar to the one we're doing now. Just let me show you about photographs, or photos as they are on here. These are things that I've uploaded. Oh, sorry, I haven't uploaded. These are things that Canva is giving you for free. Now you can see it says on here free. When you hover over it, free. There will be lots of them that are paid for. But literally, if you want to use one of these photos, if you type in the top there, where it says, it's sort of grayed out, search millions of photos, and I don't know, if you put in there, just put money, hit return, then you get all these images. And like I say, the ones with the crown on are they were called Pro. Those are what you pay for, but you only pay in English money 99 pence for a photo, and you can use that photo as many times and in as many places as you want. And all you've got to do, literally, this one's a Pro one, but I'll click on it anyway. You get the cross lines on there until you paid for it. As you download and pay for it, because you create an account with Canva as well, just so you can pay for the photos if you want them. But all you would do is just literally size this to suit the white background, and in doing so, you've got one thumbnail that's totally covered. Now you could write your message underneath there, whatever it may be. And as I say, some of the images, depending on what you want, some are free, some aren't. That one's free. So just click on that and delete that. So if you wanted this, then again, you can just literally size it and to whatever you want. You can click on text, add some text to it, put your text there, and you're good to go. All you need to do then is, if you want to sort of download these, which is obviously you would, right at the top here it says download. If you click on the arrow for download, it'll always come up first, PNG suggested. I tend to go for JPEG. Now, as it happens, they call them pages, but there's 11 in here. You don't click on all pages, because otherwise it'll just download every one of them. So all you're looking for is this one, page 4. You would click in there, say done, and then hit download. And the download will show up in the bottom left hand of your screen, as that is now. And then this bit here is try Canva Pro for free, and all this stuff. That message comes up all the time. So I tend to then minimize the screen a little bit, or decrease the size. There's my missus. And I drag that, put that onto there, and there we go, download. And there's my thumbnail that I can then upload into YouTube. And as you saw, I said to you earlier on, these are ones I did today for YouTube tutorial videos. And this one, how to use Canva to create great online images for beginners, that's the thumbnail that's going to go on this video when I upload it to YouTube. So all that's done on Canva as well. So as you can see, you can create all sorts of things. There's just God knows how many things you can do with Canva, and they're all sized for you. So all your YouTube thumbnails, your Facebook posts, Instagram posts, all that kind of thing. Everything there is literally done for you. So there's no need to try and find out sizes from the internet or anything like that. Don't even have to worry about that at all. It is all there. And this is, as I said, this is the one I created. These are Facebook ads, blog posts, Instagram, Facebook story. There's things that I've done for products as well. So there's loads of stuff you can do with this, and that is as much really as you need to know to get started with Canva. So you can use this for nothing instead of forking out for products that are going to cost you money and will basically do the same thing. So that's about the size of it for now, and I will see you next time.